Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I will be telling you a story. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Once upon a time there was a town named Hamelin in Germany. So Hamelin was situated near the banks of the river. So Hamelin was a very unclean city. So the people who are living in the city threw all their garbage on the roads. They didn't even keep their surroundings clean. So because of that, many rats and insects are attracted by the garbage. So eventually the population of rats increased in the town. So there were so many rats that wherever you go you see them. Rats were in the house, on roads, in dumpsters and more. So they bit the babies who are in cradles. They ate the food on the dining table, and they also spread many diseases. So because of that, many people were suffering in the town. So then all the people who are living citizens had started protesting near the mayor's office. So the mayor had analyzed their situation and promised that this problem will be taken care of. So a meeting was held with the council. So they discussed for a while, but they were unable to find any kind of solution for this. So later, a peculiar man entered the courtroom. He was dressed in a very strange manner. Half of him was red and half of him was green. The councilman had mocked him, so the man didn't care. So the man introduced himself as the Pied Piper. So he said that he could summon different kinds of creatures. So the councilman and the mayor didn't believe at the beginning. He said that he travels all across the world helping the places which are in problems regarding the population of these animals. So he said that he will show what he can do. He took out his flute and started playing it. So he walked into the streets of the town, and surprisingly all the rats present in the town started following him. So he covered all the places in the town and many rats were following him. All the people were amazed by seeing that. So he took the rats near the river. So he got into the river. So the rats jumped into the river and died. So the Pied Piper got out. So in that way he got rid of the rats in the city. The mayor had rewarded him with 100 pieces of gold. He was very happy. So later all the people present in the city had appreciated him. So he gave an advice that all these rats and insects wouldn't be there in the town if they kept their surroundings clean and threw the garbage in the dustbins only. So the mayor took necessary protocols, and after 50 years it is the cleanest city in Germany. So that's it for today guys. Thank you.